Hey there, Justin from Blaze. Blogs offer a unique value to prospective customers as an opportunity to educate, inform, and even inspire. But creating blogs takes time, lots of it. Today, we're going to learn how to use Blaze to shortcut that process and generate something great in minutes. To get started, click Create New on the sidebar, followed by Blog Post. Now enter the topic of the blog post you'd like Blaze to write for you. The more information you're able to provide here, the more unique and focused your content will be. We can have Blaze autofill in the rest, but I'm gonna go ahead and select I'll fill it in myself so we can learn about the various ways that we can tailor the wizard. First, let's give our blog a name and select which project we want it created inside of. Next, let's tell Blaze what the goal of this blog post is. Is it promotional, informational, narrative, a how-to, ranked list, comparison, something else? For my blog post about in-house small batch roasting versus large-scale commercial roasting, I'm gonna select comparison. You select whatever makes the most sense for your blog post. Now outline who your target audience is. For example, I'm targeting coffee enthusiasts who are looking for the very best quality, so I'm gonna enter coffee enthusiasts. Next, select how long we want the blog post to be. We can select between short, medium, or long for length. I'm gonna keep the wizard set to medium for my post. Keywords are up next on the wizard. Here, we can specify any keywords that we want Blaze to include in the blog post. This is great if you have a name for a product, a technique, a sale, a discount code. You get the idea. Outlining them here ensures that Blaze includes them when it writes the blog post. Brand voice is next. Here you can select one of your brand voices or up to 3 tones. If you don't have a brand voice lets Blaze write content that sounds just like you, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. So you should totally consider setting one up if you haven't yet. Moving down, we can select source materials that Blaze will reference when writing the article. And source materials help Blaze generate accurate information about a specific topic, product, method, background. You get the idea. I'm gonna select the history of urban roasters for my blog post, but you could easily set one up by clicking Add New Source Material and linking it to a web page, pasting in some text, or uploading a file like a PDF. Finally, there's a More Ways to Configure section, and this section allows you to further refine your blog post by adding in a call to action, defining an author or persona, providing some information about a specific product or service that you offer, or specify words that you want Blaze to ignore or avoid, and even an additional info section as well. I'm gonna go ahead and leave these blank though, and click Select Images next. Now the wizard is finding some images that could work for our blog post from the stock library, and also including some that are AI generated. The AI generated images can be refreshed independently by clicking the Try Again icon over the image that you want to replace. You can also have Blaze find a whole new group of images by clicking the Try Again button at the bottom of the wizard. If we click Show More, Blaze will bring in another row of images that we can choose from. And by clicking Add from another source, we can bring up the image workflow. Select something manually from the stock image library, upload something specific, or have Blaze generate something specific using a unique prompt and their AI image generator. Backing out of that window, I'm gonna go ahead and select a few of the images that I'd like the wizard to include, and then click Generate Title. Blaze has generated a handful of blog titles for us. We can review these, edit them as needed, or even write something from scratch. If none of these work, I could click Generate New Titles, and Blaze would generate a new group of options that I could review. I like this one though, maybe just without the first bit of text. Okay. This looks good, so now I'm gonna click Generate Outline. The wizard is now giving us our title, an introduction, and a high-level outline. Everything you see here can be edited, but this all looks good to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and click Generate Post. Blaze is now writing the blog post for us based on all of the information that we previously defined. The best part, everything in this document is completely editable. You can even swap out the images. If I wanted to send the page out for review, I could use the Share for Review button to invite people via email to review and collaborate, or I could copy and paste a shareable link. I could even download and circulate the content as an HTML file, a PDF, or a Markdown file. I could also use some of the tools on the side of the screen to improve the quality of the text, edit the tone, adjust the length up or down, and even take the content in this blog post and start a multi-channel campaign. That tutorial, though, is in another video. Blaze even includes SEO analysis and a plagiarism checker to provide even deeper insights into our blog post before we publish it. Speaking of publishing, if you're using our WordPress integration, you can schedule your blog post to go live at a specific time where it will automatically appear live on your WordPress site. If you're not using WordPress, no worries. You can simply download a file with all of your images and then copy and paste the text manually in your blog page builder directly. Then you just need to upload your images. It only takes a minute or two. That's all there is to leveraging the power of Blaze to generate blogs in minutes. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date on all the ways that Blaze can help you grow your business.